The final result of this test, here, the final result of this test was a .17, almost double the legal limit. That's why you were arrested.
Registration, and then my mom has my actual insurance card. This is a temporary one. I think she's on her way here.
Okay.
He is in the process of getting insurance. He's like, I just last week got his insurance or talked to his insurance.
Did you drive here or did someone drive you here?
Do what?
Did you drive here?
I drove here.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not much. I was at home and then my son called me, so.
Yeah, well, what we're going to do since you drove here, we're going to do some tests to make sure you're all right to be driving.
Arkansas Code 565103. Operating a vehicle after drinking establishes immediate DUI investigation grounds. The subject's own admissions satisfied both elements intoxication and operation. No erratic driving required.
I'm fine. I'm a justice of the peace. I'm an elected official. Please.
Well, you either call a
What was I supposed to do?
Step on that line and face me.
And face you?
Yeah, face me.
And face you?
Yeah, face me. No, face my direction.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Like I said, he can.
I'm an elected official. He called me. He called me because he was in an emergency situation. I thought you told me to walk up the line. I was here for my son.
You have to pay attention to these instructions.
Not for this. This is the only reason why I got in my car. Dude, take me home.
I'm not being a jerk.
Let them take me home.
I'm not being a jerk.
Let them take me home.
What I need you to do.
I am a justice of the peace from Washington County Quorum Court.
Look at me.
And I know Sheriff Helder. He is a friend of mine.
I know him too.
Sheriff Helder is a friend of mine. Call him.
Arkansas Code 565202. Implied consent applies to every licensed driver. Elected office creates no exemption. Yielding to status-based pressure is selective enforcement, a 14th Amendment equal protection violation.
I didn't ask you to have your mom be on the way.
It's not her fault.
It's not my fault. I'm here for my son.
Do you want to do the test? Yes.
You're being a jerk.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm trying
You're being a jerk. Why are you being that way? Why? How old are you?
I'm 24.
You're 24. I'm 41.
Okay.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
Okay. So understand the fact that when your child calls you and they've been in an accident, you're going to be there no matter what.
Not if I've been drinking.
Necessity defense requires no reasonable alternative available. A sober neighbor or rideshare each defeats that claim.
That's not true. I'm going to talk to Judge Woods. What is your name?
Officer Perez. Officer Perez.
Step back.
To be patient with you.
I am a officer of the court.
I don't care who you are. Stop.
Do you stand?
I refuse.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist.
No. I'm a third grade teacher. I have to go to professional development tomorrow morning.
Stop.
Record this.
It's being recorded.
This.
I like
But
that.
can we drive her home?
No, she's going to jail.
South Dakota v. Neville, 1983, refusal is not Fifth Amendment protected and may be used as evidence. Birchfield, North Dakota, 2016. Breath tests incidental lawful DUI arrest require no warrant.
You're over here accusing me of saying something that I never said.
Cops lie all the time. We all know that.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you for being understanding. Cops lie all the time. Go ahead. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Go.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate
No, because you can go, sir, or you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
You better go. I'm not
Go.
anything.
Yes, my investigation route.
How do we get her?
Good luck to you, okay?
How do we get her back?
Good luck to you. And good luck to you.
Well,
have a good evening. Cops lie all the time, sir.
Well, he watches YouTube videos all the time. He's older.
Well,
I don't.
Does anyone know what happens to your car?
It's going to get towed.
Towed?
Yes.
Like we can't take it?
No. Especially when I have someone like that being extremely disrespectful. You need to get off my scene or I'm going to take you to jail too.
Oh.
For obstructing. You're on my scene right now. You can't even, you're not even supposed to be on the highway. Get in your car and go.
What about this car?
It's going to get towed.
It's okay, Dad.
Can I go get my wife?
No, because I lie. Go.
It's the problem with a 17-year-old watching way too much YouTube.
Well,
I know, but I was at my home. I was fine until I knew my son was in trouble.
you had been drinking and you
I had a few glasses of wine. That doesn't mean that when my son calls and says he's been in an accident, that I'm not going to go.
You got to find a ride. You can't drive.
What are you talking about, dude?
That's
I'm going to make this so public. You're going to be so...
I think the public's going to like the way that you're talking to me, the way you're cussing. That's what we want.
I love it.
I'm not.
If you know that, then why are you arresting me? Let me go home with my freaking day today for my school. I am a 3rd grade teacher. I also drive a school bus every day.
Okay.
During the... What do you mean, okay? That's what I do.
Okay. What? I don't know what you want me to say to that.
I was elected for a reason, and I am a law-abiding official. I was drinking at my home. My child got in a car wreck.
So?
My child got in a car wreck. What would you do? What would you do if your child got in a car wreck?
Run to my neighbor if I've been drinking.
What would you do? Call someone? There's no time. All I knew that he was in a wreck. I just needed to get to him. I needed to get to him. He's my only kid. How dare you for arresting me for that? What the is wrong with you? What the is wrong with your sense of good doing? My God, I was going to my kid. I had like 3 glasses of wine. Don't shake your head.
28 is John.
You're not innocent.
Frank 0879.
By the way, I'm a single parent. By the way.
And that is supposed to have an effect on this.
Oh, okay. Right. I was at home doing my own thing, and my child was with his girlfriend and had a wreck. And I went to the wreck, and I got arrested in front of him. You're the reason why cops have a bad name. People like you that arrest people like me that were there for a child that needed me. My child needed me, and now you took me away from him.
So if
he was just in a wreck, and my kid needs me, and you arrest me when I could have gone home with my dad.
Like I just said.
It's political. I think it might be political. Are you being political right now?
I have no idea who you are, and I can care less.
Is that what it's about?
We didn't know who you were until you told us.
Told her, watch me. What's your name again?
You said you wouldn't forget it. It's Officer Perez.
What?
Perez. In front of the store right here.
My bra is coming down. Can someone fix that?
They'll help you out. A female will help you out. I'm not going to do that. I told you.
My kid totaled his car, and you have me here. Who are you?
Officer Perez with the Prairie Grove Police Department.
I'm a school teacher, a bus driver, and an elected official, and you arrested me. I just wanted to get to my kid. Anything to do with you, Officer Perez? I have nothing to do with you. You are a bad person. You are a bad person.
Listen to me.
A good person would have let me go home with my dad or my brother because I went to my son's wreck. You, on the other hand, don't be rude.
It has to be someone else. That's childish. Act your age. Okay, you're a grown woman. A suspension on your driver's license but it's not limited to the suspension or revocation of your driving privileges.
But I am
and if you are a
bus driver.
Listen, and if you are a commercial driver's license holder,
I have wine in my own house, and then now I'm being
and if you are
doing that.
No, you're not.
I actually said a prayer in quorum court yesterday for all of you guys. I wanted to know what's going on with me. Call Sheriff Helder.
Are you going to make a decision?
No, I want you to call Sheriff Helder. No.
I need you to make a decision, or it's going to mark it as a
Please
refusal.
call Sheriff. Don't try to pressure me.
I'm not pressuring you. I don't want you to be marked as a refusal.
Call Sheriff Helder.
Are you going to make a decision?
No, I want you to call Sheriff Helder. No. Call Sheriff Helder, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Keep going. You gotta blow harder. Keep going. But
I worked
I'm sorry.
I advocated for your chief of police. Please let your chief know.
I can let him know, but it's gonna be tomorrow in the morning when he comes into work. I'm not gonna wake anyone up.
Exactly what you did to me. I will let him know it all. He knows me, and I stuck up for him in the quorum court. Remember that. My brother was
Deep breath,
there.
tight seal, and blow like you just
My son just had a wreck, and you arrested me in front of him.
I asked if
You put me in cuffs in front of my
No,
kid.
I walked you over.
Oh, no, you didn't. He saw it all.
I'll tell you that. Deep breath, tight seal, blow, keep going.
You have no idea.
No,
you have no clue. You have no clue. Me being here is all you.
I accept that. Deep breath, tight seal. Keep going. You gotta blow harder.
I'm so glad.
Keep going.
My son just had a wreck, and you arrested me in front of him.
I asked if
You put me in cuffs in front of my
No,
kid.
I walked you over.
Oh, no, you didn't. He saw it all. I watched him see it all.
Take a deep breath, tight seal, blow like you're blowing a balloon until I tell you to stop. Deep breath, tight seal, blow, blow, keep going, keep going, keep. The final result of this test, here. The final result of this test was a .17, almost double the legal limit. That's why you were arrested. You weren't arrested because you showed up and you were arrested because you were 2 times the legal limit almost. Your first result was a .185. Second result, 171. You're almost 2 times the legal limit as far as the final result is concerned.
Why?
Final .71. First result, .185, more than double Arkansas's legal limit of he .08. 49 CFR 38351. A DUI conviction triggers mandatory CDL disqualification for 1 year minimum off-duty driving included. An unidentified pill in the subject's purse may introduce controlled substance charge under 564-419.
It doesn't matter what it is, and it doesn't matter what the situation. We cannot drive or operate a motor vehicle on the highways of the state in that condition. And that means nothing. If you could check yes or no for that additional test down here at the bottom. So that's the one that we talked about, that you have the right to.
Well, you just ruined my career.
I hope that one day you realize that it was your decision, not mine, to get behind the wheel. Do you happen to know what this is? It was in your purse. A partial pill. Now you can't carry it.
I would go, don't put that on me too. It's my son.
Grading. Officer Perez B+. Lawful arrest. Correct procedure. Composure maintained. Deduction. 1 combative remark when the subject threatened to go public. Minor but below the de-escalation standard. Subject, DBAS 171. Refused compliance, invoked political relationships with 0 legal standing. A judicial officer carries heightened duty to comply with the law she is sworn to uphold. The CDL loss is entirely self-authored. Bystander. C. Intervention created obstruction exposure under 554-102 with no legal benefit to the subject. Lessons learned. Implied consent is universal. No title creates an exemption. Necessity requires no reasonable alternative. Emotional urgency alone does not meet the legal threshold. Refusal is never neutral. It carries independent evidentiary and administrative consequences under Arkansas law. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal top issue would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.